I hooked up with a really big overslot snook here, who never even gave me a chance. He just took a dive right into the mangroves. Once he got that deep in there, I knew this probably wasn't going to end well.
He's got me in there.
I've tried all the tricks I learned over the years on getting snook out of the mangroves, but nothing seemed to work. Now I had to come face to face with the reality of I got a really mess on my hands now. This guy not only went deep into the mangroves, but then he also went a long way parallel with the mangroves. I had a lot of line out in those mangroves. And now I had two concerns about what was going on here. Number one, that I had a really big snook tied up in the mangroves at high tide. It was probably safe to assume that a fish this size with 20-pound leader is not going to be stuck up there for long, but it's still in the back of your mind. I was still hoping to get a picture of him, but if not, at least I wanted to know that he got free. My second and biggest concern was I had a lot of line in these trees. I could not leave that line in there. Line left behind in the mangroves could become a death trap for the wildlife. Please, if you see line out there when you're fishing, do your best to remove it. If people saw me doing this up north, they would think I was picking blueberries. Well, all I can try to do is get my lure back.
He's gone.
Getting my lure back meant two things. Number one, the fish got away, and number two, I left no line in the mangroves. This is called not the one that got away, but the one that got away and kicked my butt. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.